What's going on, y'all? Check it out. Today I made one of the best chicken noodle soups that I ever made in my life. It had okra and tomato in it. It was so tasty, y'all. But anyway, y'all know what time it is. Let's get it. And oh yeah, don't forget to hit that like button, y'all. Don't forget to hit it. But anyway, here go our chicken. We're using thighs and legs, y'all, which I consider the most tastiest part of the chicken. I always bring that good flavor. But of course, you know what we gotta do first. Gotta rain on them. Gotta hit them with that salt, that pepper. Fresh, of course. Always fresh. Now to a pot of boiling water, we gonna add in onion and bell pepper. Gotta get that flavor out of it. Gotta get it. And of course next, gotta add that chicken. Now of course we let our chicken sit with that salt and pepper on it for about 30 minutes before we add it. That let that salt absorb into that chicken, y'all. Then we gonna give that a quick mix. And add in a bouillon cube. Now this is just a chicken bouillon cube. You can use any kind that you like. Now after simmering for about 30 to 45 minutes, our chicken is starting to break down, starting to fall apart. So you know what time that is, right? Gotta add in our okra. And of course, gotta add in our tomatoes too, y'all. Okra, chicken, and tomatoes is always the bomb, y'all. Always the bomb. But anyway, we're gonna let that simmer. And once our chicken is tender enough to debone it, we're gonna start getting them bones out of our pot. Don't nobody wanna be grabbing on that bone in no soup. We don't wanna do it. You know you don't. And I know I don't. So let's get that bone out. So once we get them bones out, it's time to add in our mushrooms, y'all, and our noodles. Now I'm using spaghetti here, but you can use any type of pasta that you like. And we're gonna mix that up, and we're gonna let this pot simmer until our noodles are finished. Oh my goodness, look at that. Them noodles is finished and it's time to plate up. And of course, a good bowl of soup deserves a nice piece of crusty bread, y'all. Gotta have that crusty bread with butter on it. So let's go ahead and give it a taste. This is so good, y'all. Them ingredients came together just right, made the perfect bite, y'all. But anyway, y'all know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.